Hi everybody, it's Morgan Schick. Welcome to my live. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm trying to get the light right because I want you guys to be able to see me do my makeup, and I feel like this is really strong. Oh, that's much better. I don't know what happened, but I like it much better. Okay, so right now, not only am I gonna do my makeup, but I'm also gonna put this, going to do a regular person's smoky eye. So this is not my normal day makeup. I'm actually gonna like hit it up a little so you guys can see a regular smoky eye. So what's on my face right now? Oh, and at the very end, I have a very special surprise. So I hope you guys wait till the end because I have a huge surprise. Okay, I have Day Factor on, which is a stem cell serum. So I rinsed my face after the gym. I took a shower, but I did not wash my face again. I only wash my face at night. Once a day, you wash your face. In the mornings, after when you wake up, you rinse your face really well, but you do not cleanse or strip your skin again. I put 1/2 a drop of stem cell on moist skin, 1/2 a drop of plasma on moist skin, and then 1 drop of all over drops on moist skin. So that's all that's on my skin right now. I am now going to put bronzing drops on. I showed you guys this the other day, but I'm going to do it fast so we can get to my surprise as quickly as possible. I tap bronzing on my forehead, my cheeks. I blend it in, clean hands, and all of a sudden I have a rosy glow, even though it's 28 degrees in New York City. Look at that. Okay. I told you guys the other day about my new love for Shape Tape. This is light and medium from Tarte. I do not work for any of the products I'm talking about, except for Active Argon. Now, when you're doing a smoky eye and you're a regular person, good morning, hi guys. When you're doing a smoky eye and you're not doing it for a photo shoot, okay, because that would be like a pretty dramatic smoky eye. The other reason that I want to teach you guys the smoky eye is I think that smoky eyes can sometimes make your eyes look very small and very close together. So when you're using your concealer, it is really important that you do the inside corner and the lid of your eye, especially when you're doing a smoky eye. So I used Shape Tape from Tarte. This is not the size you sell. Came with an Ipsy from my daughter and I stole it. Then I'm going to do, hello you guys, so glad you guys joined, my Hide and Highlight from Active Argon. Again, all I have on right now is bronzing and my regular oil routine. So that's Day Factor Stem Cell Plasma, and so I hide and highlight where I have our Bone Structure Cast Natural Shadow. So if you can see the light right now, it casts a shadow here. Hi you guys, thanks for waving. Cast a shadow here where I have a divot, mouth to 9, and then the puppet lines. Then I use a color that's exactly my skin color to cancel out ruddiness. See, I have broken capillaries on my nose. Cancel that out. Broken capillaries around my nose. Cancel that out. I'm not using foundation all over my face because I want it to look like my skin is just perfect, not that I'm wearing a mask. So all I do now, hello, I'm so glad you guys joined. All I'm doing now is blotting. I'm not rubbing, I'm not pushing. I'm simply blotting the concealer in, just to even it out. Okay. Before I do my smoky eye, oh, and I have one little red spot pimple. You know what that's from? That's from wiping sweat when I'm working out. And because my pores were open, because I was working out and I touched my face, I got a pimple in that pore. Told you guys, don't touch your face, especially when you're working out. It is full of pores. It's full of open pores, and there's tons of bacteria. And if you touch your face, you may just press it into a pore. And now it's gone. Hide and highlight. Gotta love hide and highlight. Okay. I'm also going to give myself a tiny bit of translucent powder before I start, mostly because when you're using dark eyeshadows, because we're doing a smoky eye, if you guys just joined, I'm doing a normal person smoky eye, not a, TV fashion magazine smoky eye. So I'm just giving myself a little powder so if there's any black that comes on underneath my eyes, I can just whisk it off. Okay, then I am going to stain my lips. Do you see where my color line has dropped out? But if I tilt my head, I can see where the natural ridge of my lip is. That's my natural ridge. That doesn't drop out. So if you stain that, you have like a millimeter all the way around and your lips are much bigger. So I love that. So my lips are done. Let's do my brows and then we'll hit straight to the smoky eye and I can get to what my surprise is, which is, I think, gonna be very good for 1 or 2 people. I can never decide whether I wanna do 1 or 2 people because I kind of always wait to see like how people reacted. Lift the brow, extend the brow. Brow doesn't have to be much darker, doesn't have to be much thicker, but it does have to hit where your cheekbone is and your jawline is. That will open up your eyes. This is extremely important if you're doing a smoky eye. The reason is because smoky eyes, if they're too dark, can make your eyes look very close together. That is my problem with smoky eyes. Okay, now, first thing you do with a smoky eye is you get a black liner. You can also do a smoky brown eye, but I'm gonna do a smoky black eye. First thing you do is jiggle the liner into the lash line of your top lashes. Now, we're going to jiggle this into our bottom lashes, but not yet. And this is gonna be done really quickly. You guys are gonna be shocked at how quickly you can make a really kind of holiday. You can add sparkles to it if you want. But this is a really easy. So now, first things first, do you see how my liner is not on my lid? It's into my lash line. That's a great trick for no matter how you're doing your makeup, because when you bring your liner above, and you'll see this with the smoking eye, you actually make your eyes look smaller. When you hide your lash line, the liner into the lash line, you actually make the bigger space of your eye much bigger. It's very, very kind of high rent landscape, that lid. Okay, so I'm smoking it out just to bring it towards my brow bone, okay? Now, I want you guys to see this. Now, I'm going to now take the liner just above on the outside of my eye. You see that? You see that? Now I'm going to take, oh, this one doesn't have black. Let's find one that does. Yikers. Kind of should have put this together before I started. I'm so sorry. Oh, this one doesn't either. Okay, hold on. Stay with me, people. Let me find my Pat McGrath that has the smoky eye. I think it's this one. Yes, that's it. Okay, there's the black right there. Okay, sorry about that. I'm going to take the black and I'm going to smudge the liner with the black. I am not pulling on my lid. I am just smudging and holding and pulling out the lid. And I am going all the way, but you see how I am not doing it as thick towards the center of my eye as I am on the outside. And what the leftover is, I am taking it under. Now here's a really important part. I want you to not go up. I want you to go out with the leftovers. Do you see that? And then I want you to go up. So we are giving yourself a higher brow bone with the smoky eye, and then you can just smudge out the sides. Again, this is a smoky eye for a regular day person. Not like if I were doing a smoky eye, I would add lashes. I would probably do my whole lid. I could do my whole lid. Let's see how this looks before. I am going through the crease. I am blending out this black liner. I'm basically setting the black liner with the black powder. And then I go up where I would normally use that soft brown, and then I go under. Now I'm gonna show you right now what really matters when you're doing a smoky eye. You can kind of do a smoky eye any way you want. I'm sorry, it is so noisy in New York City. Everyone who lives in the country is like really psyched right now. Sorry. Okay, there is that part. Now, I wanna show you a really important part. Clean. The biggest part of a smoky eye is the inner liner of your waterline. The inner liner of your waterline is extremely sensitive skin. I don't want you just using a regular pencil or ever sharing a pencil. I very rarely color my inner waterline because of that. I don't want any infections. So take a wipey, clean the top of your crayon, and then go into your waterline. That is what's gonna give you that really smoky look of a smoky eye. Everything else is kind of just extra. Now, if I wanna make this, hi you guys, if I wanna make this even smokier, I can do my top lid. But I want you guys to see, actually let me finish my makeup. Let me finish my lashes with mascara. So this is a basic smoky eye. I could do this at night. I think anybody could do this. I'm gonna use the Clinique Lash Builder. But I want you guys to see, right now my eyes kind of still look the size of my eyes, right? But I'll tell you why I usually do it like a smoky sculpted eye like I did right now. Don't forget to use Lash Builder, the Clinique Lash Builder underneath your eyes as well, because the lashes underneath are important as well. And then I'm gonna use the Pat McGrath mascara. Oh, for you guys, Merry Christmas, Stacey. Oh, you guys are so sweetie. What are new products for Shop HQ next week? Just a hint. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Okay, let's just put it to you this way. I will be wearing no sleeves most of my shows. I don't know if you guys love the texture of the skin on your arms, on the underside of your arms, but I was not a fan of mine. So peptides and stem cells are very important, and I have been using this, and I will not be wearing sleeves on TV next week at 55. And I think I told you guys, someone told me when I was in my 20s, after 25, you should never show your arms. And you know, it's one of those things that you hear when you're young. Aw, thanks you guys. You hear when you're young and it sticks with you, right? So I've been paranoid of my arms my whole life. And I've never even had like, I'm not, you know, I'm a size 10, 12, so it's not that big a deal, but okay. But I listened to that. But I've been using the stem cell contour cream, and it's got a peptide in it. I think it really, really works. Okay, so, and that's just one of the hints for next week. Okay, oh, I don't want this to go over, so I can, hi pretty, oh, my beauty girl, my beautiful daughter. Tessa, I'm doing a smoky eye. Okay, so this is a smoky eye, but it's sculpted. Do you see I still have this here? Now, you could, if you wanted to, take a shimmer and use the shimmer, watch this, probably gonna blow this because my mascara is still wet. The shimmer on that part, right? And just for fun, I'm gonna do a different color on the other side. You could do a shimmer, right? So let's do white, gold on one side and pink white on the other side. See what that looks like. That is how I would do a smoky eye, because my eyes are small, right? But if you want to do a full-blown smoky eye, you would go back to your black, or I also have a black shimmer from this Pat McGrath. Sorry, that's green. Oops, how gorgeous is that? I'm not using that. Well, maybe let's do it. Let's use it. So let's do the green shimmer and see what happens. So we're gonna do a green smoky eye right now. Very festive. But do you see when I darken my lid, my eye gets smaller. So if you've got bigger eyes than I do, you could definitely do this, rock this green shimmer. But I do not have wide set, large eyes. So for me, putting that green or dark shimmer to make a dark smoky eye is a risk, because as you can see, my eyes look much closer together now without the light here, here and here. But if you've got big, huge eyes, you can totally rock it. All right, so since I'm almost done, I am going to just do my contouring, and then I'm gonna put a little lip gloss on. You are good with MAC? No, I'm not. You can do this. I'm literally just like playing with it. All you have to do is blend, blend, blend. You could be a terrible, as all makeup artists do is just keep blending any mistakes they make. That's all they do. They just blend, and then they keep talking, and you don't even notice that they made all those mistakes. Okay, and I'm going to use this Pat McGrath. It's like a beigey pink lip gloss, and I'm done. Here's my announcement. I hope I make this before 15 minutes. I'm doing a contest for my shows next week on the 18th, and I'm giving away one of my own 5-minute facials. This is mine. I hoard these. I use a 5-minute facial all the time. I recommend them for everyone. It is four layers that go on in 1 minute, and you leave it on for 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and it makes your skin absolutely gorgeous for the rest of your life. One mask cannot do it all. If you need different layers with different ingredients to get you the most successful skin of your life. So I am giving away a 5-minute facial. I will post a photo of me and my smoky eyes. I never win anything. Here's what I want you to do. Real Nikki. I want you to invite a friend to follow me. Have that friend tag you. Okay? You're already following me. Have that friend follow me. Have her tag you and why she wants to win. You can tell her why she wants to win. Actually, oh my God, this is the best part. I just thought of this right now. You and your friend will each win one of my 5-minute facials. So you're gonna invite a friend to follow me. She's then gonna tag you, because you already followed me, right? And she's gonna say, or you're gonna say, why you want the 5-minute facial. It's only in the United States, because I can't ship out of the United States. These are my personal 5-minute facials. That's how badly I want you guys to have this. It is totally sold out. We will not have 5-minute facials in my shows, because we sold out last time I was on in October. So you, Real Nicking, are going to invite a friend. She's gonna tag me. You're gonna tell me how. Every person that tags me and tags a friend and tells me why they want it, I'm gonna put it in a hat. Someone else is gonna pick it. My daughter Tessa, let's have Tessa do it. Before I leave on the 17th, I will pull it out and I will do another live. All right, I gotta go, or this will be too long for IGTV. If it is too long for IGTV, I will do another video just for IGTV with my contest, okay? All right, I love you all. Tag it. Tag your friend, have your friend follow me. Tell me why you want this, or why you want your friend to have this. You will both win a 5-minute facial from me personally to you. All right, I love you. Goodbye. Mwah.